How to find backup settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find backup settings easy and quick. First open Truecaller and here click on your profile and now click the settings icon here in the top corner. And once you're here, just click this one backup, and that's it. Here you can manage backup settings, and you can enable it or disable it. It's easy, and that's it. Don't forget like. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.